Hello, my name is Irina Bjorno and I'm creator of the Bell Books. Bell Books, it's a books for easy living, and easy living, it's really easy living. It's nothing special. And one of the uneasiest things what you can do, you can manipulate with your body. And a lot of women, they manipulate with the body to change the shape, for example, change the shape of their breasts. And this is very dangerous because we still don't know the consequences of these silicone implants. We don't know what will be, if it will be 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. It's very big experiment. And if you put something inside your breast, and it will be this liquid inside these implants, it will be with the temperature of the body, 37 degrees, sometimes 40 degrees, sometimes a little bit more when we train. So, and then you expose to the sunshine, sometimes 40 degrees. So we don't know how it will be. And it's big case in France when 20,000 women should take this off because of breast cancer. So I developed my methods against the breast cancer. It's very easy. If you learn my methods, one of the methods, it's called dry brushing. When you have the brush and you just brush your body, including your breast. And this is I do every morning. After I brush all of my body, I do next step. Next step, it's a massage of my breasts. So I put my 4 fingers in the nipples, and then I start to make the 10 times around my breast in one direction when my hands they're meeting each other like this, and then 10 times in opposite directions every day. So I told my students in the groups, I told that breast cancer, it's a responsibility of the bad husbands because they not massage our breasts every day. And our breasts, it should be massaged every day. All of the life, no exclusion, because we have the big lymph nodes here, and if you not massage this, it starts to be some stagnation in these lymph nodes. So 10 times in one direction, 10 times in another, without clothes. I do brushing and then massage without clothes. What I do next, I put the baby oil in my breasts. It's every day, baby oil in my breasts and massage. So my secret number 2, BH, what I use for support my breasts. My BH I change every 3rd day. So, and they have different shapes. I like push-ups, and doesn't matter that it's some of them the push-ups, some of them not. Just it's good support your breast. It's breast is feel comfortable and good. And in the evening I have no marks under my armpits. No marks. If you have some marks, it means that something wrong. So you need to change the BH for the more flexible model. So have several and change, because it should be not like a habit for your breast to squeeze in one way. 3rd secret, it's of course when I make my exercises. I run in the morning and then I go to gym, I make the yoga and different exercises. And I noticed that the women who use only sport BH for sport, it's not enough support for the breasts, and the breasts start to be not so shapy, more like in the young age. So what you can do, I learned another secret, and my secret is before I use the sport BH, I use push-up. So I put push-up, which is support my breasts very good, and then I put the sport BH. First, your breast will be very nice looking, very nice, very attractive, very supported, and it's easier to run. Easier to run when you run or jump. It should be not jumping for your breast too much, because it's not so good for the circulation, and when you will be older, so it will be not so hanging down. So first massage. Another, it's a support BH, which you change every day. And 3rd secret, it's exercises. Exercises, what I already show you, it's very easy exercises, but we just repeat this together. So what I do, I just sit comfortable, put my balls hands in the edge of my chair and just grab the edge of the chair, and then I just make the 10 times rising my breasts up and down like this, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. I show you in the profile that you can see a little bit better. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Last time, up and freeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, down. Okay, this is very easy exercises, and then you should of course pay attention how you posture. We talk a lot about the posture. I put several exercises. Just watch my films in the channel is great, so I have a lot of tips for you. So, and another thing, my first book, it's in the paper books, selling in the Amazon. Just check Bell Books DK and see how it is my book. If you would like to have the book in the paper, it's easier to work, it's easier to make the notes. Just purchase this, because all of the money what I receive, I invest in the new films, new knowledge, and new free things for women all over the world. Hi, and good January.